Happy birthday, Padax.
Padax.
Happy birthday, Padax.
Padax, happy birthday! Hey. Hello, Padax. Happy birthday. Love you. Miss you. Happy birthday, Padax. God bless.
Ayaw mo magpaba... Ayaw ah.
Happy birthday, Padax.
Hello, Padax. Happy birthday. Ingat.
Birthday, Padax.
Happy birthday, Padax. Love you then. Happy birthday, Padax. Mama, chup-chup.
Happy birthday, Tito.
Ulit. Game.
Happy birthday, Tito. Happy birthday, Padax.
Happy birthday, Padax. Love you too.
Padax, happy 30th birthday times 2. Maraming po salamat sa lahat dahil isa kayo sa naging parte na achievement namin ngayon. For everything, maraming po salamat. You're the best, Uncle. Nayak po.
Ano? Sige, ikaw. Lola, ikaw.
Teka lang. Happy birthday, Padax. Mga chup-chup. Ingat ang malaya. God bless you. Love you, bye-bye.
Padax, happy birthday. Ingat po kayo palagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, Padax. Ingat ka lagi dyan. We love you. Padax, happy birthday. Ninong Padax, happy birthday. Padax, ikaw nag-iisang Santa Claus ng bayan. Happy birthday. God bless. Ingat lagi. Bye-bye ka. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Dico.
Happy birthday, Dico. We love you. You've been such a wonderful
Pangiti-ngiti lang ako dyan.
father, uncle, and everything for everybody. We appreciate everything that you do as well. Thank you so much. We love you, Dico. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dico.
Welcome to the Senior Citizen Club. Makapagalitan pa ako ng Dico dyan.
Okay na yan.
Hello, Padax. Happy birthday. Love you.
Ida, happy birthday! Hindi ako natuloy sa Abu Dhabi. Susunod na lang. Happy birthday, ingat ka dyan.
Padax, happy birthday. Wishing you the best of everything. And thank you for everything that you have done for us. We really treasure all the help. And may God bless you always. Happy birthday in behalf of June. Love you, miss you.
Happy birthday, Padax. Love you.
Hello po, Padax. Happy birthday. Happy birthday po. Ingat kayo dyan.
Happy birthday sa akin. Nasa abroad eh. Kaya pag nasa abroad, English. Happy birthday, Padax.
Hey, Padax! Happy birthday! Kayo naman, happy birthday po! God bless! Good
Pareho
health!
tayong senior citizen. 60 na, 60. Noong March ako, March.
Kuseng, happy birthday! Many beer to come. Kuseng, salamat tayong chika babes dyan. Ayos na yun.
Buseng, happy birthday. Ako nang bahala doon sa sa senior citizen ID. Ako nang bahala maglakad. Tapos papadala na lang namin sa iyo. Ha? Basta ingat ka palagi diyan, ha? Happy birthday.
Pre, happy birthday. Maraming chicks naghihintay sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Dax! I'll see you in FB. Lagi-lagi.
Pogi. May sounds ba dyan? Pwede yan.
Ay, nakabidyo yan.
Nakabidyo ba yan? Happy birthday! Kailan ba yan? Pinalitan na yung birthday nito eh, di ba? Bukas? Oh, happy birthday tomorrow!
Oh, hira yan magkayan, ha? Happy birthday, happy birthday. Andito kami ngayon sa reception, kasal ni Cindy. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Brad.
Yan. Happy birthday, Dax! Pasensya ka na, kumakain.
Dax, happy birthday. Tirada. Sabi.
Birthday, Dax. Namimiss ka na ng babae kay Tito Rods.
Hoy, Dax! Happy birthday! Hawiyang Arya na. May wish ako sa iyo. Good health, long life, at saka maraming chika babes. See you!
Happy birthday, darling Papa Dax! Ay, naiiyak ako! Salamat sa lahat! Natutuwa ako pero umiiyak ako. I love you! Alam mo, ikaw ang hari ng lahat dahil yung mga natulungan mo, napagtapos mo, ay ito na ngayon, nakikita mo na yung mga natulungan. Ako na lang magpapasalamat. Thank you very much. I love you.
Happy birthday, Parin Dax.
Happy birthday, pare. How old are you?
Happy birthday. Hindi ko alam na 60 ka na pala. Para ka lang 27 noong 1927. Kumusta dyan at mag-ingat ka palagi. Alam mo naman kami rito, palagi kayong masaya. Saka isa pa, salamat sa mga tulong sa mga bata. Saka hindi kasi nandyan, maaaring hindi nakapagtapos. Yung mga pamangkin na pagkagagaling. At ingat. Talagang ganyan ang tumatanda. Kinakailangan ay kukuha ka ng bata. Yung medyo mabata-bata na konti. Sige ha. Ikaw.
Happy birthday, Dico! Happy birthday! Ayaw ako pakantahin!
Sige na. Huwag ka na kumanta, lang ang ngipin.
Happy birthday, Dax. Senior citizen ka na din ha. Wala na, matanda ka na. Yung citizen na kanila ay, pare-pareho tayo.
Happy birthday. Oh, 100. 1,000. Oh, diba? Horse ko rin.
Ay, Dico! Happy birthday! Many more birthdays to come! Ingat lagi! Mumwa! Dake! Maligayang karoon sa iyo! Ayun na! Sana sa prison pa'y maraming kaalaman para maalagaan mo yung mga apo mo.
Happy birthday, Dake.
Happy birthday, Dake.
Happy birthday, Palag.
Happy birthday,
Padak.
Happy birthday, Padak.
Papa, happy birthday! Sana okay ka palagi. More blessings, birthdays, and good health always. Thank you for everything. Love you.
Kuya Dax, happy 60th birthday from Robert, Ines, and Artie. Bye-bye! Ingat kayo!
Hello. Hello, Kuya Dax. Hi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Hi, Kuya Dax. Happy birthday. We love you so much. Take care.
Enjoy your day from Vancouver.
Go, Alin. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Kamusta po? Happy birthday, Tito Dax.
Kuya Dax, happy birthday. Kailangan mo na pala mag-change ng citizenship. Senior citizen ka na pala ngayon. Joke lang. Happy birthday, Kuya Daki, and sana magkita-kita tayo next year kung makakauwi kami. At regards sa inyong lahat at miss na namin kayong lahat. God bless you, Kuya Daki.
Hello, Kuya Daki. Kumusta ka na diyan? Kumusta na ang trabaho mo? Sana'y lagi kang mag-iingat. Happy birthday. God bless.
By the way, we have something for you.
Hello, Kuya Daki. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Tito Dax.
Papa.